Okay, next piece of the puzzle, difference of squares. In this case, we have q squared minus 121. This is different in the fact that unlike ax squared plus bx plus c, you got x squared plus bx plus c, ax squared plus bx plus c. Here all you have is ax squared minus c, and there is no middle term. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the same format. Is there anything common that you can take out? Anything common to take out? No. So first step is parentheses, parentheses, parentheses. How do you break up the q squared? 1q, 1q. Now, 121. What do you notice about 121?
It's a road.
It is a road. That is true. It is outside the window. So special. So in this case, 121 is 11 divided by 11, isn't it? So if I have 11 here and 11 here, what kind of sign is at the back?
Negative.
A negative. So if I have a negative at the back, that means I need one positive and one. So let's do it. One positive, one negative. Q squared minus 11q plus 11q. So I got bam, 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 minus 121. What happens to 11q and negative 11q? Cancels out, and you're left with q squared minus 121. This is called the difference of squares because you square rooted the first part, square rooted the last part, one positive, one negative. And so you end up with this. So your answer is q plus 11, q minus 11. All right, let's do another one. Let's take a look and go with, x squared minus 16. All right, what is it? Let's go.
Parentheses.
Yep,
X,
x,
positive and a negative.
positive, negative.
16 can be broken up into 8 and 2.
It can go 8 and 2, 1 and 16, 4 and 4. But since there's no middle term, what is it going to have to be? 4 and 4. And what happens when I do this? I get x squared plus 4x minus 4x minus 16. What happens in the middle terms? They're gone. And there's your answer. And if it was set equal to 0, you set each piece equal to 0. Let's go do something more difficult. Yes, 4x squared minus 9. Here we go. Let's start here. What do I do? Carson.
Parentheses.
Love it. Now, 4x squared. How are you going to break it up evenly? That's amazing, Carson. Your ventriloquism is tremendous. So 2x and 2x. Then what do I do with the 9, Carson?
Split it up into 2 threes.
3 and 3. And what kind of signage? He goes with the minus and positive. Now, so in this case, let's see if it works. 4x squared plus 6x. 6x, because there's just one x. Minus 6x. Minus 9, those go away. 4x, it works. Let's do something more difficult. M to the 4th power minus 25. Ooh. Zimmer. How do I get m to the 4th minus 25? Also known as Wilhelm. Split up m to the 4th into what and what? M squared and m squared, and 25 goes into 5 and 5, plus and minus. What is m squared times m squared? M to the 4th minus 5m squared plus 5m squared minus 25. What happens in the middle terms? Bradshaw. Yes, it is. Absolutely. Okay, so m to the 4th minus 25. Very good. Let's do something else. All right, let's go with p to the 3rd. R to the 5th minus p to the 3rd minus, not minus r, times r. There you go. Okay, what's the first thing I need to do here? Yes. Like terms, how many p's do you see here and here? I see p cubed. That leaves me r5 minus r. What do you see now? R. So can I take an R out of here and out of here? Gosh, excellent. Okay, so taking R out leaves R to the what? Fourth minus. Now, and if I take one R out of one R, what am I left with, Carson?
1.
I agree with you, Carson. Now can I break up this into two pieces? Let's do it. What do I get? Show. Well, let's break up R to the fourth. And yes. What do I do to the 1? 1 and 1, what signs? There you go. And what will that work for us?
Sure.
It indeed will. Let's do this one. Let's go R cubed minus 5R squared minus 100 R plus 500. Now, folks, what do you notice about this? It is ugly. What else do you notice? What else do you notice? How many parts do you have?
4.
4. Okay, so if we have 4 parts, gonna break it up.